I scared him away for you guys. Oh, there he is. What the f?
What? Help! Help!
Oh my god!
Help!
Run, run, run. He has a gun. Oh my! Ah!
Oh no.
Oh my god! Oh. Well, we're cooked.
What just happened?
I set off a bomb in the kitchen, dude.
Why did you? With the metal thing in the microwave?
Yeah, dude,
Oh
he's in the
my
doggy
God.
position. Come look at
The gnomes are gonna start coming here. Chump. Look at him. Look at you now, idiot. BRB,
Pipe bomb?
I'm gonna go kill Jonathan. Stay here, 3. No, come back. Run.